Hey, good afternoon. In a few minutes, I'm going to be slicing some Rough Koroit Opal. I think I might start with this piece that I think is going to be rather interesting. From the outside, it sure does look confusing. I don't really know how it's organized inside, but in, in a few short moments, we will have a much better idea what's inside. Now, there's a closer look. Of course, that part right there looks quite interesting. That's got potential. But then it's different over here. Nothing's really showing on that end or that end. A little bit of stuff down there. And I can't, sorry about that, I can't quite tell how deep that goes in there. So stick with me. In just a few moments, we're going to put that against the saw, put a blade through there, and see what I can find. Here's a closer look at 3 pieces that I sliced out of that chunk, that interesting looking chunk of rough. I thought that was going to be the interesting part. I mean, it's still interesting, but it doesn't look like it runs that far into the piece. Yes, I could have trimmed it down a little bit farther, but I decided not to. We'll leave that for the next person, or if I cut it myself, I'll experiment and see how deep that goes, because I wasn't sure if I should leave this as the face of a cab or slice in that way, perpendicular to the surface. If that color ran in that way, then slicing perpendicularly to the surface could yield a very interesting rock. But so that one's kind of in a holding pattern for now. Now you've already seen that's a piece of opalized wood there. And you can see there's a bit of color around the rock, another bit of opalized wood there, some more color over there. And when you weren't looking, I took a flashlight and I shined it there, and I could see the light coming out there. So I already knew, whoops, before I put the saw blade into it, that color was connected. And then when I put the saw blade into it, boom, that's what came out. I think those are beautiful. There might be a little crack here and there, and if there are any cracks, then I will put a saw blade through, trim them out. But I think those are beautiful. I hope you agree. So I wasn't expecting anything from these little dots, and I got a pleasant surprise. From the other piece, I was expecting more, but it just didn't happen, apparently. But that's what happens. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. It's always some sort of strange exploration. Now, those aren't really a pair. This piece is much more interesting than that piece, but pair or not pair, it should still yield some interesting cabs. And now we'll get on to slicing a few more pieces.